Hello, dear concern. I am Sharif Hassan, tech web developer, and let me introduce my recent website. Tech website is best test based on different types of devices. Here in front of you, this is navbar that's with website names and logos and home page, device page, manage space page, blog page, contact us page, and then a profile. In home page, the top of the home page, that is a banner. Here I'm include three tips, and that is used vanilla css and use of DaisyUI, which is the from Tailwind css. Here I used to create a scalable or using animation like transition and transform property. Here this image is scaling when mouse over it, and this is rotating, and this is also a scaling. So then there are spices, different types of spices. This is from server side. In home page, only 6 items are displayed with picture, title, and a update button using slice method. And here is a more button which is triggered to the all items. Then it is a section which is a client side section, that is our client's face opinion. Here it is a carousel. On carousel can all the Q4. Then it is a block section. Here I am using a fixer from blocks, and it is also a carousel. User can carousel, and the image I try to set effect, that is skew, which from transition and transform method. And then I am try to set a footer space test, then services, then company, legal, price test, and subscribe. After that, I'm go to price page. Here, all the page, all the items or all the spices are available. But here I will try to use pagination as user can see small items or little items at a time the page, and if he triggered button, then he can then next page items, we can see third page, fourth page, and if you want he can resize the page items, like here by default we set 6 items, but he can use 12, 18, etc, etc. In this page, here user see all the items, and if he triggered update buttons, then he view a new page which is the item page. Here he can see name or title, image, price, quantity, And if he want, he can deliver. If he trigger deliver button, then it reduce one from quantity from server side and database. And if you want restock, then he can just input number, and he can use, and he restock then closed open on the top of the corner, and then it is a manage item, manage spice button. If anyone triggered, then he see all the items, index number, name, image, little image, name and the price, then email and quantity, email as who or which ID added items. Then finally he can see a delete item. If you want to delete, just click OK, is deleted, and cancel or OK. All the items are available. Then we can blog. In blog phase, here also a this is also from server side using database. Here title and name, short description, and a details button. A details button is just nothing. Is the full documentation. If anyone want to read more and read more about this site, and he can comment here like uh, more comment or more documents. Just click and hit update. It is a more document. It will see user profile picture, user name, and message or comment user which is commented. And everyone is same. User can comment here. If user has no profile picture or no name, then there is a avatar and also a username. I tried to it like a Facebook comment section. Okay, then it is a contact us page. In contact us page, um, user feel free to comment or message to us, contact with us. He can fill his name. This is disabled button with logged in user email address. He can provide his mobile number and say something, and he can submit. Then it's okay, submitted. Then he can see a post. After then he can use profile here, username, add item, add blog, my item, all message, user logout. At first I will go to add item. In add item, here I can provide name like masala, masala. প্রাইস দিয়ে দিলাম হচ্ছে 500, কোয়ান্টিটি দিয়ে দিলাম 13, একটা ইমেজ লাগবে, then I provide an image, then I can trigger add item, then it will be successfully added new item message from backend server. Then we can see our added date. This may be in system 4. We cannot mistake. Yes, masala.